Okay, I didn't record an intro for this vlog yet, so here's the intro now. Yay.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Shh. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Shh.
The harder you push on this, the more faster it goes. The harder you push on this, the faster it goes backwards. But don't touch anything.
Don't touch anything back.
Yeah. So
Brakes
your
all the way
choke is
down?
on, the choke is on, and
Now I need earplugs for this. You ready?
yep. Right. You gotta hold it on here.
Almost. Give it. Come on, baby. There goes the sleep sound again.
Put off the clutch on. That was it. Yeah, so there's a certain position on that clutch you gotta have in for this to start.
Oh, I see. Try her now.
Push clutch.
You might need I tried to tell me that we need jumper cables.
Yeah, we still have to have something to jump to.
We can edit that bit, right?
Alright, so we need the jumper cables because this thing won't start up. And the battery's low on power. So we got jumper cables. Yay!
So we tried starter fluid, and now we need jumper cables.
Yep.
So, take 2.
But make sure those two are not touching.
And this engine right here is our victim we caught for power for the battery. Don't know if that phrase made sense. This is not scripted, so I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes in my grammar. Just connecting the second jumper cable and we can get this thing started up.
Not.
You might have to pull this thing forward more.
Alright.
That's good.
Alright.
I can never have a better camera than this, can I?
Ready?
Look, how did you have to hold? Okay, you can't just touch it and let go of it. And as soon as it tries to start, then you let go of it, right?
Ready?
Behind redemption, honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, quick, faster, till we're stuck living. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Let me see if I can get it.
Does it not fit?
Oh no.
Let me see. No, unfortunately, it does not fit. But we can fix that.
You can edit that bit, right? Try to tell me that we need jumper cables. Try to tell me that we need jumper cables. Try to tell me that we need jumper cables.